Is he wearing me a ticket for front windshield that a girl cracked? I didn't even like that.
Is he one of them Broward boys?
The Island Boys.
Is he?
Yeah.
No fucking way.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Officer Narration Park? The only reason for the traffic stop is your front windshield tint. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I don't have my license on me.
I'm sorry?
I don't have my license, but I have proof of insurance.
Okay, do you have a valid license?
Yeah.
You do? Let me get the registration insurance. This is a rental?
No, it's my car.
It's registered to you?
No, it's registered to my mother.
Okay, what's your full name?
Alex.
Spell your last name first.
A-L-X.
No, your last name. V-E-N-E.
By the way, my front window is cracked by girl, that's why.
Okay, V-E-N. G-A-S. Venegas?
Yes.
First name Alex? You have a middle name?
No.
Okay, what's your date of birth? Is your license valid?
Yes, sir.
Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
I do have it on my phone.
Okay, is there any firearms in the vehicle?
No.
Yes? Okay. You can turn the car off for now, alright? Hey, bro, just keep it a buck with me. Do you know your license is suspended or not?
No, I don't.
Okay, your license is suspended, so go ahead and call somebody to come pick up the car.
Okay.
You have until my tow truck gets here. If whoever you're calling gets here before the tow truck, I'll let you drive over to the car, okay? I think this kid's like famous or something.
What's that?
I think this kid's like famous or something.
21
Say it one more time.
yellow
I think he's like famous or some shit.
two-door sedan.
What's his name?
2021 yellow.
He wants to see proof.
See proof of what?
The suspended DL, he says.
We are the proof.
I was like, what do you want me to do? Rip the computer out of the car?
What do you say?
Can I ask him? He'll be back in a minute. You're gonna tow it?
I told him to call somebody if they can get it before the tow truck.
Driver license not valid.
Is he one of them Broward boys?
The Island Boys.
Is he?
Yeah.
No fucking way.
Yeah, bro. Come on, brother.
Do you have somebody that can pick up the car though? Like, how far away are they though? Okay. Yeah, it's suspended. Do you have unpaid tickets or insurance that you didn't pay?
No, I don't know why.
Okay. On our system, it just shows suspended. Let me see if I can figure out why though.
Why?
Yeah, I'll check. What's it suspended for?
Failed to pay, traffic fine, 1227. It also says verify ID, possible imposter using this name. That's him.
He says he's trying to get somebody over here. And does he have his ID on him? Oh, that's with knowledge, man. If he don't have his ID on
How
him,
can I articulate that?
he doesn't have an ID on him. That's with knowledge, bro.
You think so?
With 100%, man. Why else wouldn't he have his ID on him?
He said he forgot it at home.
Yeah, no. Because it's got confiscated.
He knows the game.
Bravo 3, 1065,
What do you say, guys?
Pembroke Park.
Yes, Pembroke Park. Where we at?
Right now, you're in the 3200 block of Hollando Beach Boulevard.
I'm on the 32 block of Hollando Beach Park.
Just give him an address. 3199.
I already gave him the location.
3300 West Honda.
Yeah, he's got it. Thank you, Rob. Huh? Alright, man.
You got somebody coming?
Yeah.
Where they at? You know?
He's coming. He's my security.
No, but you know where he's coming from, though?
Yeah, he lives he lives right here.
Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, traffic citation. You must have got a ticket and not paid it, man.
When?
It says December. So did you get a ticket in like November or October or some shit like that? No. Sure.
Like this December?
I think so. I think it was this year, last year.
Oh, bro.
Did you get a ticket?
Not that I know of.
When was the last time you got pulled over?
There was a cop bought me cards or something like that, but like when they were all cool by it, they were like, "Oh, you're the island boy. I'll just let you go."
But they didn't write you a ticket?
No.
Shit.
That's the weird thing about it. I don't even know. I wouldn't even be driving. I'd be taking driving.
Yeah, no, I get you. It just says fail to pay traffic citation.
Fail? Do you think
I don't know, man.
That's why I don't know.
What about your brother? Did he? Anybody else fucking using your ID? Like, where's your ID at?
I left my shit at home.
Okay.
I don't even have my fucking debit card on me right now. I'm using Apple Pay.
Okay. All right. But like, the thing is, it's just, at least we're not towing the car, bro. You
No,
know?
I appreciate that.
No, I mean, just take it to court, man. Find out if you didn't. I mean, you're famous, so if you didn't get stopped, unless somebody else is using your identification,
Right, man, take it.
that I don't know. But just take it to court, man. It's like I said, the car's not going to get towed.
Yeah.
You'll be out of here in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
Can you ask him? He's right, man. Take it from front windshield that a girl cracked.
Say it one more time.
Is he writing me a ticket for front windshield that a girl cracked? I didn't even make that mistake.
No, I think he's writing you for evading the proper intent on the windshield. Yeah, you can't have a tinted windshield. Let me ask.
So,
Did you say how far?
can you copy it?
He lives close to here. Where do you hit him with the windshield and
Yep.
Sedan,
tin or crack?
gray Honda, and a big truck.
Alright, man, you're getting 2 citations, okay? One for driving while license suspended unknowingly. By the way, got suspended for not paying a ticket, okay? And you also got another citation for the front tinted windshield, okay? You have 30 days to deal with it and comply. You can pay the fine, take it to court, or go to traffic school. Do you have any questions for me?
How do I pay the fine?
There's more information on all your options on this right there. Okay?
Can I pay it online?
Yeah. How far is your, who's picking it up?
My security's picking it up.
Does he have a license?
This is it.
Okay, how far is he?
It's not far.
48.
Can you get an ETA? Because I got to call a tow truck.
Rob, what's the ETA, man? You say you can call a tow truck. What's the ETA, by any chance? You're not far?
How many minutes?
15.
15? Alright. Give it here, pull it up, pull it in there. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, you gotta wait. I'm gonna let you know right now. If I see you driving, I'm gonna take you to jail. You understand?
Yeah,
Alright. Wait here for your whoever's gonna pick it up.